This is the login page where the teacher will log in with his/her name and password. Then comes the dashboard section, which has 4 features, namely maintain attendance, today's report, overall report, and your class sections. Let's explore its features starting from your class. This section consists of details of the students of his/her respective class. Moreover, he can check the details of a particular student. In addition to this, the attendance percentage of the current month along with that of the previous month is also shown. It also gives a detailed report of the students' attendance of the current month. He can add student using the add student option with basic details. The next section is the maintain attendance section. In this section, the teacher can make the daily attendance of their students. All students are initially marked present and the teacher just needs to click on the toggle button to mark a student absent. To make his work easier, a search bar is provided to search using the name or admission number of the student who is absent. Our next section is today's report. In this section, the teacher can see the overview of the reports along with the complete details of the students' attendance of the present date. The last section is overall reports. This section provides the reports for the entire academic calendar. The teacher can select any particular month from the drop down to see the monthly average attendance of the class, and the teacher can also select a particular date of the selected month to see the attendance of that day. This application comes with the 2 plans. The first one is the free version, which comes with all the features shown in the video, and the second one, which is the paid version, costs ₹99 per month and comes with an additional feature in which a message is sent to the guardian of the student who is absent on any working day. Downloading link for the free version is given in the description box, and those who are interested to buy the premium version of this app can fill the form whose link is in description. This is the team Technocrats signing off. Goodbye to all those who are watching or would watch in the near future.